Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable parental control on INFINIX Zero 35G. So you have to start with swiping down your main screen and then go to your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google and then click on parental controls and click get started. Now select child or teen and then click next. Now click on add or create account for your child and enter your child email address. Now you have to enter your child password and now click I agree. Now click on more and accept. And now you have to select your account and then enter your parent email address. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now scroll down and you have to enter your child password again. Now click next and click more, and next. And here you can install Family Link or you can click skip and then install this application manually. And now you can click review controls and that's it. Now your family control is enabled on your device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.